Yes, so good morning, everybody, for Monday, the 5th of September. Quite a lot of rain overnight. There was an active trough line just before midnight, which brought quite a bit of rain to our area and across the southeast. Much welcome rain. It may have even caused some localized flooding in certain parts. It was certainly very loud and very bright, to put it that way. And we're left with quite an unsettled week ahead, with a lot of low pressure systems close by. It will remain flyable at times, but yeah, very unsettled, with Hurricane Danielle sat in the Atlantic currently, which may influence the weather towards the weekend. Sort of a slack flow at the moment, and sort of with where the sort of fronts are moving, and with that we're still picking up that southerly wind, generally with a bit of east in it, somewhere between sort of 160 to 180 and around 20 knots of flying heights. Satellite picture over the UK. Well, the storm activity's moved into the North Sea, and we're now just left with variable amounts of cloud at varying levels, and a bright start, but changeable during the day. Public forecast suggests that we'll see a top temperature of 20 degrees today, with a medium amounts of cloud, with the potential of some more storms later. And you can see throughout the week that trend continues, and those temperatures returning to a more average level. So yeah, don't think we're going to get any more heat waves this autumn. Visibility sort of moderate to good, and we may see, if we get a little bit more heating, sort of 23 to 24 degrees, but I think that's quite unlikely. Dew points, as you'd imagine, quite high given the fact that the air is so humid and unstable. Farnborough currently reporting sort of a light southeasterly, few at 2,700 feet. And as you can see on here, a reasonable start to the day, but that chance later on of some heavy storms. I think the chance of storms are lower this morning than this suggests, but certainly if you look at Odium's TAF, we may see some quite variable conditions during the day. But yeah, after lunch, it may be that it does go to showers. That was the rainfall total for last night. The red bar just saying what the high rate of rain an hour was. So if we had seen it for an hour, we would have had 120 millimetres, which may have required Noah's Ark to come out. In reality, probably still significant amounts. I'm not too sure how accurate this is, but whether we did see 20 millimetres of rain, it was certainly quite a lot regardless. But now we have a temperature of 16 and a dew point of 14. And the picture outside looks like that. So varying amounts of cloud, a bit scuddy, low cloud. Onto the soaring forecast for today. Low cloud to start with, maybe some odd weak thermals up to around 2,500 to 3,000 feet. Better in the centre of the country, up towards Oxfordshire, Husbos, where they might see sort of it says blue, but I'd imagine there is cumulus in there, up to around sort of 3,500 feet. Thunderstorm activity in the West Country and into Wales, looking quite good up in Denbigh and in the north of the country as well. But yeah, so no real chance across country, but maybe some weak thermals for the brave. Just looking at rain alarm, and you can see that there is still shower activity floating about, and it's going to be this area down here that we need to watch. But there's nothing significant currently. Airspace wise, not particularly much. Salisbury Plain danger areas are active as normal. Just check, yeah, so no changes there. And in our local area, that really is it. Operationally, it looks like it will have to be runway 16 again, given the southeasterly wind that we're currently having. Just a reminder to approach nice and decently over the trees and land in the direction that we are launching, please. I don't want to see people without authorization landing in opposite varying directions. It just leads to safety reports and headaches and everything like that. So yeah, if we could land towards the southeast, that would be absolutely fantastic. Other than that, we'll see you on the airfield shortly. There are a couple of serviceability issues this morning with K21s, but I'm hoping that will get fixed fairly quickly. Okay, see you on the airfield. Bye for now.